Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can remove your account from Messenger. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're going to find all of the sections. Here you're going to find the chats section, people, and right here you're going to find stories. So right now, I'm going to go back to chat. And if you go to the top left corner, you're going to find this little icon right here. Go ahead and click on it. Then right here, you're going to find chat, marketplace, message requests, and also your archives. So right now, I'm going to click on the gear icon to go to settings. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the settings related to Messenger. So right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find your account. You can click on manage account to manage your accounts. You can also add some other accounts if you want. And right now, if you want to remove this account from here, all you need to do, guys, is log out from your Facebook account. Just go to Facebook, go right here, and then go all the way to the bottom. And then right here, you're going to find logout. Go ahead and click on it, and then click on logout again to log out from your Facebook account. If you don't want to log out from your Facebook account, just go ahead and go to your settings. Then once you do that, you're going to be right here, as you can see, guys. And then once you're here, go ahead and search for apps. Then once you do that, go ahead and scroll a bit down until you find Messenger. Go ahead and search for it. You can also use the search bar right here. So I'm going to search for Messenger like this. Then once you find Messenger, go ahead and go down to storage. Once you do that, go ahead and click on clear data. Then once you go back to Messenger, you're going to find that you're not logged in anymore to your account. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.